one. Oh, that's a keeper. Oh, I'm probably 80 centimeters. At least 75. Yeah, yeah. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, boys. So damn it, boys. Keep going. You want us up?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, I think it's not big enough.
Okay, please. Just keep it there. Just keep in the water. Keep in the water. All right. Yeah, bring it up. Bring it up. That's a keeper. Yeah, good, nice keeper. Oh yeah, that's a nice keeper. Well done. Yeah, would be about 75, 76. What did I say? We're gonna get keepers, huh? Only us. Shh, don't tell anyone. Wow, nice keeper. You gotta take a picture of that. Oh, triple hookups again. Hey, keep the road down. You don't want to hit the, quadruple hookups. I didn't know that we had a quadruple hookup. Jigging is effective, huh? See, everyone is not catching, only extra us. And this is our best Sydney fishing jig. Alright. Quadruple hookups. Not that one, not keeper. That's a keeper. Okay, get this one in. Bring it in. Alright. That's not keeper. Oh, another one. Come on guys, start catching because I'm busy. Jesus. Okay guys, move to this side. Move to that side. Move to fish from here. If they decide bring it on over here. Oh. That's a keeper! Oh! I reckon this is keeper. We got another one. Let's go boys! Let's go boys! Come on, come on, come on! Another keeper! Okay, that's not keeper. No, that's actually almost. We can measure it. Check your line, boys. I reckon this is keeper too. Alright, let's check it. Let's check it. Oh. Shit. Keep going, boys. Keep going. Yeah. 1 centimeter short. 1 centimeter short. 1 centimeter short. Hey, do not touch the line to the board, okay? Otherwise, it's gonna rub and you're gonna lose it. Double hookers. Keep going, boys. Keep going. What a rainy day. Look at this. What's happening here? This one is slow. Come on, get the pressure on. Come on. Ah, triple hookups. Jesus, how many we're catching? We're gonna take. Oh shit, 1 centimeter short again. Okay, bring it up, bring it up. No, that's not a keeper. That's a small. Let me measure it. 0.5 short.
2065.
0.5. Jesus, 0.5 short. Oh shit. Sorry, Muggy. Yeah. Damn, I'm too busy. Oh, come on, start catching, boys. Start catching. Oh, that's a keeper. That's a good keeper. I told you someone will have a lock. And looks like today is a Marcella. Oh, you don't want to touch that line. You don't want to let it go to the boat. Okay. Oh shit, it's broken. Damn it, mine is broken. That's a keeper. Oh, nice, 2 keepers. We'll take a picture later, okay? Just keep going. Alright, look at that. That's a nice fat. Well done. This is the biggest one. Super fat and nice. Keep it here. Another one here. Jesus, jigging is better. Jigging is better than live baiting. Live baiting, booty. Jesus, I need to buy a fishing net. See, I couldn't mark. I didn't mark any kingfish, but they see from far away. Oh, there's a light. There's an angel bait there. Oh, that's a big one. That's a fucking. That's a massive one. That's a 1 meter. That would be 1 meter. He's a massive one. Oh, oh, Neville. Neville, don't lose it. Keep the pressure on. My heart is going to get.
I'm gonna put in my line up for him. You got it.
My heart is bumping. That would be the biggest one ever. Come on, Neville, don't lose it. Don't lose it. Shit, I don't have a fishing net now. It's a broken. I have to use. Make him tight. 5 from that. Oh, look at that lago. That is 1 meter. 1 meter kingfish. That is. Don't lose it.
You got it.
That
You
is.
got it.
Oh, good that I changed the rod. This is a heavy rod, you know. That's almost 1 meter. Oh yes. Oh yes.
It's tiring.
Yeah, let him tired because I don't have a fishing net because it's broken. I need to
Like some shortcut and
yeah. Over there. There's a Caesar there. Okay. Sorry, I need to just keep an eye on this, man. Make sure that when it comes near, it's gonna fight again. Do not let go under the boat. Come this way. Fight from there. Come this way. All right. Pull up this side, that side. Can you take that one up? Cut it up and then bring it out. Clear the way. Come this way. Come this way. This way. You fight from there. All right, that's 1 meter. Shit. How am I gonna bring it up? Because the fishing net is broken. But it fights like not kingfish, because it's like a shark. Yeah, it's like I don't know. Hammerhead usually doesn't take a jig. So I've been catching a lot of hammerhead. This fights like a shark. Yeah, I think it's a shark. Hey, stand up. When it goes underneath, you gotta push your rod down here, okay? Oh, that's a kingfish. That's a kingfish. It fights like a shark. Oh, Neville! I hope it's a kingfish. Yeah, it's going down here. How's it going, Neville? How are you feeling? Tired? Come on! Come on! Alright, when you bring it up, slowly bring it up. Don't pull too hard. Gently up and then wind fast. That's what it is. Ooh, these guys never giving up. Let him get tired himself. Come on, you can do it. Do not let him beat you. But if I feel like a shark, it's just going that way. Kingfish don't do that. Yeah. I don't know, we have to see. The way he pulls is like a kingfish, but when he went that way, I thought it was a shark. But we'll see. Come on. Don't let him beat you. You gotta win against him. Let's go!
Oh, now.
I can see the color. Oh shit, I don't have a fish in it. Hey, don't touch.
It's a king, it's a king, it's a
It's a
big king.
kingy, big kingy. Ooh.
Oh my god, it's massive.
Oh! Well done. Well done, Neville. Well done, Neville. High five, everyone. High five, everyone. Come on, high five, high five, high five. Good job. Wow. That is a massive one, massive one.
I'm gonna go fix it up.
Hey, you gotta, when you take a picture, don't take this one off.
Yeah,
We'll put it like that. That's our biggest fish so far. Let's have a rest. And actually, fish is still on, but hey, you gotta change the line. Look at that. You almost lost it. Ooh.
Thank you.
Well, what you can do when you grab it, I take with my phone, okay?
Yeah, sure.
And I'll send it to you. So what you do, you need to grab the between the gill inside. You see that?
Yeah.
You can grab that one. So grab all the way in, grab it, and then watch me. No. Grab all three fingers and then one finger in, and then put it out like that. Okay. All right. One finger to the ass. You know,
Okay.
we are good at it. Putting our ass.
Alright.
Alright. And then you sit down here, put it all the way like that, okay? Alright. See, fish was disappearing, they all came here. That's why I thought I came here. So, I think